Hi, I'm Greg Glady with Keller Williams Luxury. I'm standing here today in Mission Viejo, California at a new listing that my friend Nesa Anderson is going to be putting on the market in about a month-ish. So what she's done is she's asked me to come out here to this beautiful home, but the backyard and the front yard need a little fixing. So we're doing a backyard renovation on a budget. So what I want to do is show you the before pictures and the after photos, plus also a little weeding that I did just to show you exactly what it can look like. Plus, I have a surprise appearance from a special guest coming up later. So follow me. Okay, so as you can see, the backyard does need a little TLC. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I've already started to do this. We're going to trim this back, this bush back right here. And as you can see, there's some sprinklers down there that I need to find out if the sprinklers are actually working in this yard, because I'm not sure they are, and I'm not even sure the water's turned on. So we have a spectacular view. See it over there? It's a Mission Viejo view. It goes up into the mountains up by Coto de Caza. But again, the backyard definitely need some work. So what I'd like to do, since we're kind of in a drought, is we're going to probably do some kind of drought tolerant plants in the back. Probably a mixture of agaves and flaxes, and really just drought tolerant. But the first thing I got to do is I got to level off this yard and find out exactly where the sprinklers are. So as you can see, there's some beautiful bushes back here. Pomegranate tree over there. We have rose bushes, but they haven't been trimmed probably for a decade. And so I want to accent the backyard so you can see this beautiful view. So what I did is I did one thing, which is I came in here and I cleaned up this orange tree. So as you can see, just with a little pruning, what it could be. And what I'm trying to find out is, where are all the sprinklers placed? Because I got to have sprinklers. And so you can see there's a drip system in the backyard. What I want to do is I want to take this planting bed right here and probably turn it into a veggie bed. And I believe that we're probably going to come in here and put some lacquer on it and a fresh coat of primer to really make the wood stand out for the potential buyer. And so that's it. Oh, I promised you a guest appearance from somebody, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So, I promised you a guest appearance, and it is the wonderful Socorro, who is backyard resident. Not sure if he's paying rent or her, but what a beautiful creature, huh? So we want to make sure that when the house does sell, that we put him in a nice, beautiful home, and he can have a long life. So that's it. So please stay tuned for more updates on a backyard renovation in Mission Viejo, California. But look at the view back here, the Saddleback Mountains. Spectacular. That's it.